Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk a bit about an alternative that I've been using to GitHub. So GitHub, I have unlimited free public repositories, but on Bitbucket, I have unlimited free private repositories. Bitbucket is made by this company Atlassian. I don't know how to say it. They are the company that makes Jira. They make a number of other things, but it's a major company and it's enterprise software. So it's very good quality software because it's made for enterprise businesses, but it's also free for individuals, or like Bitbucket is free for teams of 1 to 5 people. Jira, I think, is free for small teams, and they have a bunch of other products. So if you haven't heard of them, you should check them out because they may have stuff that you like. So I want to show a bit about how Bitbucket works. So as you can see on the side, they have projects and they have repositories. Now, GitHub also has projects, but I've never really used them on GitHub, but I've been using them on Bitbucket. Also, if you see here, this key, that is, I don't know what it means on Bitbucket, but if you link the project from Bitbucket to Jira, then these are the same keys that you'll use in Jira. And also you can see the lock icon means it's private. So I'm going to create a new project. So you can have multiple workspaces. You enter, for a project, you would enter the name, you enter the key, and a description. And then I always default my projects to private. And then you have a custom avatar, or at least you can change the avatar. As I start typing the name, the key should default. Alright, so I named it test project, so it defaulted the key to TP, which is fine. I'll say for testing purposes on my channel. Alright, now I'm going to create the project. So here is the project created screen where you're defaulted to repositories because all you have is repositories or settings. So I'm going to create a new repository in here. Add repositories in the upper corner. It has something, it's like you can add a repository that is already yours onto a different project, or an additional project or something, I don't know. I only have one workspace, and this is the project I'm going to create in. All private projects only have an access level of private available. So that's why I make all my projects private, so I don't ever have to think about the repositories. I'm going to call this test repo. README I haven't been doing on here, because it doesn't matter. Default branch name, I like main, and I actually messed up one of my repositories because I had two different branches. I don't know. So I'm just going to choose main. And then they have options for get ignore. For README, they have no, yes with template, or yes with a tutorial for beginners. And then advanced settings, you can select forking options, you can select a language, they have a bunch in there. Those are popular languages, but they do have a lot of languages. and then you can put a description. Okay, so I'm gonna create. Now, once I create the repository on the website, I can click clone, and I already have source tree installed. So if I just click clone in source tree, I think this will work. Yeah, it automatically opened. So it automatically fills in the repository link and the type. You have to put an empty folder on browse and it will fill in the folder name, and then you choose the local root folder, and then you can choose the checkout branch. They have some options. I'll just click clone. And that's it. Once I have files in here, it'll show files. I can stage them. Here's for my commit message, and then I would commit, and then it would put a number on push, and I just click push and it will send it up to the server. So I just wanted to show a bit about Bitbucket, and I hope that this helps anybody who's thinking about using it, or for me in the future in case I stop using it and want to come back to it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.